Hello and welcome to the task section of the Notion for Artists template. Here we can add tasks, which are on one hand actionable steps that we can take to accomplish our goals, and on the other sometimes they're just regular or daily tasks that we want to stay on top of and check off. So one of the easiest places to start is to simply add a task. Say I want to draw or sketch for 10 minutes in the studio. I can press new page, type sketch 10 minutes, and it's entered in here. Now I choose the category, say that's studio work. Again, you can always change the property by typing in a new property and creating a new one, or editing the old ones with the ellipses. So you can type the text here and change a new color if you want to change an existing one, or simply type a new category and press enter. So once you've chosen the category, we go over to the priority. For me, maybe sketching 10 minutes is a medium to low. If it's something I like to do but isn't vital, maybe I can put low. If I need to spend more time on my creative practice, then let's put a medium. Since sketching is something I want to do daily, I'm just going to start this on Monday and say by Monday I want to have sketched 10 minutes. Say I want to do this Monday morning, I select the working date for Monday. So the deadline is when I have to have this done by, and the working date is when I'm actively working on this task. If you want to make it more than one day, press end date, and it'll choose a start day and an end day. So say I want to sketch 10 minutes by Monday, I can start right now, and it'll show up accordingly in the calendar. The thing about this task section is we made it just so you can add a task and have it go to its right home in the task system. So as soon as you put a status on here, normally it's not started, it will disappear from this database, but it will be visible in the corresponding task database, because this is all one home for tasks, but we just have different views, different cubbies or rooms. So I put not started, and now you can see it showed up here. These are all the tasks I have planned or set up so far. If I look at just the task for today, so I'm working on it today, I can see I have 10 minutes I need to sketch. For next week, I can see, okay, I'm still working next week on sketching 10 minutes. Next month, next month counts the next 4 weeks. So technically next week would be part of next month. And this year, still coming up this year, is doing this 10-minute of sketching. So where does that go on my main calendar? If I look at my tasks, it'll show up here. Okay, I've set myself as a task in a previous tutorial to sketch for 15 minutes today. I wanted to add an additional one, and it shows the working date of when I need to be working on this and when it's due. You can also see in the task section board views of different tasks we have to do. So since I added that task in the task section up here, it now shows up in today. Today I have to sketch for 10 minutes. I can move the status to okay, it's in progress, or it's even done. And then tomorrow I can see, do I still have tasks left to complete, left to finish? The reason we created this space was it's an easy way for you to say and see, what was I working on yesterday? What do I still need to work on today? And what do I need to work on tomorrow or coming up in the next several days? Next, we return to the task section. Sometimes things like sketching 10 minutes a day is something I want to do daily. So we made a button that'll automatically add daily tasks for you. All you have to do is press the edit button right here. So right now we have 3 entries for potential daily tasks: check emails, studio work, organizing paperwork. If you want to customize these, simply write in the name of the task you want it to be. For example, sketch 10 minutes. And then change the category here. I want it to always be studio work and not started. So you can change these and customize them. If you want to get rid of one, click the ellipses and press delete. Or if you want to add another one, press duplicate. And you can get another one and just change it as well. When you're done, scroll down, press done. And then when you press the button, if we're looking at today, it'll add the ones we had programmed into the button. So paperwork, studio work, and 10 minutes of sketching. To undo that, simply press Command Z. So this is a way that you can make tasks for your daily routine, as well as like what we have seen in the previous goals tutorial, how to make tasks for upcoming goals. Then when you're done, you can archive a task, and it'll be stored here in the archive database. This way you can see previous stuff you worked on and clear up your page and your Notion template for the stuff you really working on right now and are prioritizing. Think of this as like the final way to check something off for being done.